Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, supposedly a recheck on, yes, yours truly, me. Complaint. There's still a transmission leak. When they use the word still, they are implying that they thought they got that fixed. Well, I don't know, and I will not know until I inspect it. And what I'm glad about is I got a chance to do it, guys. That's why I hate when I hate doing other people comebacks, and I hate for other people to do my comebacks. Okay, now who knows what this problem is? Is it my fault? Nobody knows. I don't know until I get it up in the air. But depending on your co-workers and how they deal with things could be the difference between the situation blowing up and the situation just calmly being repaired and going away after you find out what the problem is. So like I said, we don't know that until we get it in the air. So let's do just that. Let's take this thing in the shop, let it up in the, hey, check engine light on too. See, they ain't say nothing about that. So I'm wondering, I don't even know what I did. I looked at the history, it just shows some maintenance work. So I don't know if it's transmission, reseal. What did I do? Reseal? I don't remember, guys. I work on a ton of vehicles. And you can't just say, you remember that van you did? I work on a ton of vans. Everything has to be, I don't know, documented. So let me see what was previously done and let me look at it, which is what I'm doing now. So guys, y'all hold tight. Let's get this thing in the air and look it over and see if your boy got something to do with this. All right, hold tight. Oh, whoa, whoa. What in the world? Guys, this is not no freaking transmission. They said transmission fluid. I'm hoping they meant oil leaks. Now, did we put adapter housing on here? This is oil. See, it said it looks dry up there. That's where oil would normally fall. Well, I got a drop right here. Yeah, this is oil leaks. So they say recheck on JT that I do, and it said transmission. This is obviously not transmission, this is oil. Now, did I replace the transmission? Yes, I think I replaced this transmission. I can't tell, but this, I can tell that this is oil, guys. So let me let the car down, see if it could be very simple. The oil filter adapter housing might be leaking. Oh man, okay, so you can get off my case. I don't see oil coming down through there. I gotta let it down, guys. Let me start, let me look up top. Hold tight. Ready, guys, we looking for potential oil leaks. Now, I see oil on top of the transmission, guys. That's what I'm trying to see. Did I replace the oil filter adapter housing and it's leaking again? Surely that's not the case. But I will say this, if I replace this oil filter adapter housing and I have oil on top of the transmission, that's not like me. I will definitely clean this off just to prevent this, what I'm going through now. So I don't think yeah, y'all see that right there? That's oil. Yeah, that's the oil filter adapter housing. Like I say, I normally clean that out. I don't leave residual like that. Okay. Wow. They had me panicking for a minute. Look at all that oil right there. This is a freaking oil leak, not a transmission leak. All right, guys. I got to write up an oil filter adapter housing. I just ran a history on what was been done. I resealed the trans pan. Okay, I did not. But this is oil leak, so let me try to seal this oil filter adapter housing, and we'll see what happens, guys. Stay tuned. I thought I was in trouble, but I will be fine. This is not my fault. This is a new repair. All right, stay tuned. Ooh, welcome, man. All right, guys, here's my parts. Y'all remember the so-called recheck that was on Mr. JT? Everybody get all panicky. Oh my goodness, JT got to come back. I said it was a transmission leak. Well, y'all remember the diagnosis, right? It turned out not to be a transmission leak. It turned out to be oil, or the leak, the fluid that they was complaining about turned out to be oil. the oil leaks turn out to be this oil filter adapter housing. Guys, we are up to AG. Okay, now I've been seeing AG for a minute now, so I'm assuming they're really stuck. They got it under control. Not to say any before then. At least, well, if you're gonna get one, make sure it's AG. This, if you go to the parts department anyway and get one, this is what you're gonna get. I think they had to dispose of anything below this, or they sold them off the shelf. But this is the latest and greatest oil filter adapter housing. I got some seals for the lower intake and seals for the upper intake. Now you know you're gonna disrupt the cooling system. So here's the coolant, and here's my coolant flush I'm gonna use. So let me go bring this van in. Let's get to work, guys. I got work to do. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. That's like,